Hey guys, and welcome back to Earthy DIY. In today's video, we're going to be making an okra and fenugreek deep conditioner. Okra is by far not anybody's favorite food, I'm sure, but it actually is a great ingredient to be incorporated into almost any hair recipe. Okra is great for hair because it's packed with vitamins and other nutrients that are great for hair growth, and it can also help to moisturize your scalp while also preventing dandruff. So what you're going to do is to wash them individually, cut off the ends, and then slice them up into smaller pieces. Boil them in some water on a low flame until you see mucilage being formed. The mucilage is that kind of slippery gel-like substance that you see. Now this is what is going to provide our deep conditioner with that slip that we as kinky curly hair girls need. And just to note, okra is a plant gel, more specifically a film forming humectant. So not only is it a great moisturizer, but it helps to seal that moisture in your hair while also providing you with that slip. The next powerful ingredient to be used in this recipe is the Ayurvedic herb fenugreek, which is also known as menthe. Fenugreek is great for hair because it helps to prevent hair loss, it fights dandruff, and also adds shine and a soft texture to your hair. So what we're going to do is just to make some fenugreek water, and this will be the second ingredient in our water phase. We're going to be adding some soap powder, glycerin, and also detangle to this recipe. These ingredients by themselves have the great benefits of hair, and so when combined, it just makes this deep conditioner that much better. Our oil phase includes shea butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. We're also going to be adding cetyl alcohol and emulsifying wax to help thicken the formulation and also to provide a good stabilization. So now we're going to heat all of the separate ingredients using the double boiler method. But keep in mind that you want the fenugreek water, the oil phase, and the okra gel to be at the same temperature. So you want to be heating all these different ingredients at the same time. So now just combine all the separate phases, the fenugreek, the okra gel, and also the oil phase into one container. Use an immersion blender to help combine all the ingredients, else leave left with a creamy, silky final product. our final product. You can see that it's just nice and creamy and silky. Use this product as you would any other deep conditioner and leave us your feedback in the comments. Like, we really want to know what you guys thought of this conditioner. Thanks again for watching, guys. We really hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one.